Okay, Merry Christmas everybody. Came awful fast. Have all my decorations up. I didn't get to do too many crafting, but I'd like to show you all my decorations.
Go.
Okay, this is my little Christmas village I just started this year. And every year I want to add on to it, and I think for my first year, I think it looks pretty good. My middle little castle, Caitlin got for me a couple of years ago, which I absolutely love. And I think it looks pretty nice. My little Santa collection my husband bought, oh my gosh, about 25 years ago. My 14 Santas from all over the world, and I display them on this shelf every year. I really like it. Okay, I have my artificial tree, which I prefer rather than the real tree. And every year, this is the first decoration I put up. My daughter made it in kindergarten, and it's my prize ornament. I put this up, and I have all pictures of when they were little. Ryan here. I remember we were in Chester. Chester. Is that where we were, Chester? Mm-hmm. And Ryan got a dog, came out Celia, of course. These are all my ornaments, and this is my porch decorations, and my husband cut these out. I drew them and he cut them out for me. And I made these little things out of, what do you call that stuff? Styrofoam. I made them, and I made a little garland, and I think it looks nice. And it's pretty cold out here. I didn't get to put my bows out because it's too cold, but that's it, folks.